Okay, folks, you wanted to know how democracy works. You've got it. What we have here is the results of our vote, letters B through R, skipping some. Everyone's vote is currently placed on their number one pick. So we got 4 for B, 4 for O, 3 for K. Uh-oh, there is not a majority. There's not one that has more votes than the others. What do we do? Oh no, see, if we had only picked our favorites, we'd have a dilemma now. We'd only have 2 contenders remaining, and we'd have to do another election. But the whole point of an instant runoff vote is that we are going to simulate, can't see my dance, simulate other elections sequentially. So we can say, oh, okay, we got J, we got Q, we got R. If we had just done one election where we picked our favorites, obviously those ones would have been out, so we can just ignore them. That's pretty easy. They would have lost if we had just done a single election and said everyone vote for your favorite. Now, we've got B, we've got O, they're tied, but we got this K thing flapping around, wandering around aimlessly around. Still there, it's still there. So, we say, all right, Fran, Nolf, Monica, all preferred K. However, their second choice, if K wouldn't win, which it won't because it doesn't have as many votes as these two, their second choice would be J. J. Oh, but see, if we had done an election and then another one with either the top 3 or the top 2, J would no longer be in the running. So J would not be an option to pick. That choice is kind of nullified. So we go on to their third preferences, because again, K will not be winning because it only has 3 votes out of first preferences. These two have 4. Fran prefers B, and Nolf prefers Q, which has been eliminated, and Monica prefers R, which has been eliminated. So, through our instant runoff / ranked / alternative vote, and I think it has a few other names, we can see that B, wins. This election method is up for debate, and there's other ways to do it and things, but there's a fairly fair way and fairly simple, it gets confusing to tabulate kind of ahead of time tonight, but fairly simple for everyone to just rank their preferences. And that's where we're at. So let's consider that, and we'll move on. If nothing else, you can maybe make the choice between B and O, but if you want to just do it based on ranked preference through instant runoff, B's our winner, folks.